Okay, so we have a 2016 Volkswagen T6 Transporter, and the button, the slider switch, has come out. This bit doesn't look broken, so it must be broken inside. And the lights turns on and off when you hit a bump. So you need to remove this diffuser piece first. So we'll get that out. Okay, a bit tricky with one hand, but we're just going to get a screwdriver into here, and out it comes. Alright, and then there's two torque screws in here. Get to your light. So that's the diffuser part. Just pulling it out from that side. Oh, it's a bit hard to bend around. Okay, so there's two screws that hold just this piece here in. Alright. Two screws in here. Torque screws. That's a better shot there. Okay, it screws out and then it should just pop down. Got two kind of cables here. What's this thing here? Oh, that must be the mic for the... in here. Must be the mic for the phone, and this is the power cable here. So the mic one, we just pushed that tab over and it came out. And then there's two clips either side of on the switch. So it looks like it just clips in on this bit here, which is your slider contact. Doesn't appear to be anything else in here. Alright, so we'll just try and clip that back on. Okay, well that just seems to slide over, so there must be another piece somewhere. So just checked up in here, and I found this. Found a spring. And if you look on the copper slide bit, you can see it on the camera, but there is a circle on there which looks like the big end of the spring. Must push against that. So maybe this clips on here, yes. That clips onto there. So it's the little spring that's popped off, so you might have to just glue that once we put it back together. So the switch has a little dimple piece here which goes in this groove here. So if I can do it right, that goes around that way. And try and put that's got to go up that way. So that goes like that. And then we need to pop the spring on up that way. Begin first. Oh, how do you get your fingers in here? Okay. It's on. You can see the So there is a gap in that slider switch. So that might just help hold it on a bit tighter. Put a piece of plastic in there or something. We'll drop a bit of glue on there. Okay, so I've just got some Araldite 2-pot glue. And I've got a little bit of plastic wire tie in here, wedging between the gap. And I'm just going to stick a little bit of glue on here. Hopefully that'll stop that popping off and falling out. Done. Focus. Because it did start working loose a couple of times after I just flicked it back and forward. And I don't want to have to pull this thing out again. And it looks like it'll stay in there. Alright, so just the reverse of taking it out to put it back in. Job done.